everybody, me again, Chandler, Practical Paracord. In today's video, I'm going to be busting up some balloons, y'all. First one I'm going to do is knock this one out at 30 meters away. And then we're going to do different distances back and forth, y'all. So, let's do it, you know. Good Lord, 30.9. I'm too good at this. I am like a rangefinder on its own. Anyway, 30 meters, y'all. I'm going to put down there how many shots it took me to hit this thing. Alright? Because it's probably going to take a while. Oh. 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 Come on, bro. Ah. Brother! Oh, that felt good. Alright, that was for the S21, y'all. That's where my phone resides, way back there in the water somewhere. 30 meters never felt so good. Alright, let's get some more. Yeah! About 15 meters, see what happens. Alright, y'all, let's get us another one. Yeah! Oh, man, how I hit the pole and bust a balloon. All right, a busted balloon is a busted balloon, y'all. I'll take it. Let's get another one. You. All right, y'all. Y'all see that out there? All right, y'all. This is what we're going to try to finish off strong. Try to bust that bottle from way down here, y'all. 44 meters. 44. Oh. All right, y'all, let's try this again. All right, y'all, we're gonna try this from another angle. That was beautiful. That felt so good. For the lessons today, one thing I learned, that the weight of the rock and the shape of the rock means a lot. Okay? So let's just say you got a flat, light rock, or a rock that's not perfectly smooth. It seems like when you're in the rhythm of slinging, it kind of does the same thing. So instead of looking at your target, notice how your rock's going. A smooth rock will go straight. If the rock's heavy enough, it won't go too far. It'll pretty much go straight. But those light rocks, they turn. And like you can't hit the target and you kind of see they doing like this. So just aim that. You know what I'm saying? Just aim that right. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed what y'all seen today. If y'all did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, turn that notification bell. Ding!
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.